And here we are in the forest. My name is Bruce. I'm a forestologist, and I know lots about plants and leaves and all kinds of amazing things that grow in the forest. As you may notice, my accent is British. I like eating crumpets, and I like a good dose of football. I'm a fan of Manchester United. If you don't like them, you can go somewhere else, you pathetic ruffian. As we venture deeper into the forest, we notice a purple flower. Isn't it lovely? The morning dew dripping off it in slow motion. And with this music played in the background by Mr. Frugaloid, it sounds beautiful. You notice these purple wallabies almost dancing in slow motion to the light Sunday morning breeze. It's kind of hypnotizing. And now we have the Vlonga flower. It's called the Vlonga flower. It's discovered originally by Hermann von Schweger, who was a German scientist who used to love getting up in the morning and eating large, unusual amounts of cheese. He was so jovial and happy, he would eat so many donuts in the afternoon. You can almost still hear his cries of paranoia in the forest, freaking out under the influence of LSD, saying things like, "Help me, I'm so scared, and I'm sorry I had to kill my wife, but she was a mean, ruthless bitch. It's not my fault. Please help me." Anyway, that was Hermann von Schweger. I think he lives in Detroit now. As we scroll through the forest here, we notice some ferns. You're probably familiar with them. They're everywhere. A nice flowing brook. You may notice the lack of fish in this brook. That's because they were poisoned by a nearby factory. Here's some Amanita muscaria mushrooms. A very potent hallucinogenic mushroom. Good for squirrels. And it's funny because it's not you. You can watch them suffer while sharing to friends and family. Well, I'm Bruce. And I'm a British person. So I'm going to say goodbye. Oh, look, there's some... Oh, no, sorry, I just thought I saw a hand. I assumed it was Hermann von Schweger, possibly mutilated by coyotes. Goodbye, everyone. Make sure to subscribe. Because if you don't, then we're not friends.